I recently picked up this bread proofing box because I make a couple of different fermented recipes that I've struggled to provide adequate temperature and humidity control for. I landed on this one for a couple of reasons. First, it's a large capacity and has a nice spacious design of 12 by 12 by 16 inches. However, it folds down into a flat and compact size when it's not in use. Secondly, I like that I can control the temperature to up to 130 degrees for 48 hours at a time, which comes in really handy during the colder months. I'm also able to monitor the humidity levels with the included humidor style sensor. This really helps living in the dry desert where I am. And finally, I love the way I can peek in on my goodies without having to open the lid. It just helps keep the temperature more even and undisturbed. The side walls are constructed of 5 layers of insulated material, and the front, back, and bottom walls are heated. It comes with a metal bottom rack to help evenly distribute the heat around your items even more. I've been using this box for a lot of different things, like my sourdough starter, my sourdough bread dough, my kombucha, and yogurt. And I love that I can fill up the box with a lot of different things at once. So if you're a baker or like to make your own fermented recipes, check out this proofing box because I find it makes the bulk fermentation and proofing process a lot easier and overall more successful in the end. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.